Hello everybody, Colinator225 here, and I just wanted to make this quick little video to just talk for a second. How are you? I hope you're doing good. How's your week? I've been really busy for the last couple weeks, just doing stuff, doing whatever. I also wanted to make this video to say there's gonna be a blizzard, not a full blizzard, but there's basically gonna be a blizzard tomorrow where I am. In case you're where I am, stay bundled up, and have stuff ready in case you run out of power, because that's a risk considering how much snow and ice there's gonna be. I sound like a weather person. Why am I talking about snow? But yeah, I just wanted to ask, how are you doing? I hope you're doing okay. I just wanted to see how you're doing. And, yeah. I just wanted to talk to you guys. I'm really starting to get tired right now. And my sleep schedule has been really messed up. I'm trying to get it back under control, my sleep schedule. I'm trying to get my sleep schedule back under control. And while I'm doing that, since my sleep schedule is so messed up, I've been getting tired earlier. But I'm hoping that, like I did before, when I start going to bed at a certain time, I'll stop getting tired earlier. Because I originally started getting tired close to 11. Just wanted to check in on you, make sure you're doing okay. I love you, I love all of you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!